How to connect Apple gift card to phone. Apple Incorporated is an American multinational technology company headquartered in Cupertino, California. It is widely recognized for its innovative products, including consumer electronics, software, and services. You can connect Apple gift card by redeeming it on your phone. For that, peel or scratch off the label from the back of the Apple gift card. This reveals a 16-digit code. Open the App Store. Tap Today. Tap your photo or profile icon. It's at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Redeem gift card or code. Tap Use camera. Scan the back of the card. Tap Redeem. That's it. Thanks for watching.